speed with direction. Today you have to just all of you listen carefully. Speed with direction. Speed with direction. Speed with direction. Speed with direction. What does it mean? Speed with direction. That means the velocity. Speed with direction. It is velocity. The velocity means speed with direction. For example, if you talk about the speed, suppose a vehicle is moving with speed 10 kilometer per hour. A, a vehicle is moving with now you are getting now you are getting suppose if you tell that the vehicle is moving with speed 10 kilometer per hour, if only without mentioning direction, in which direction the vehicle is moving, if you are not telling like that, so that is your speed. If you tell a vehicle is moving with speed 10 kilometer per hour towards east, so that gives you the velocity. The velocity is nothing but the speed with direction. The speed with direction. In speed we are representing only the magnitude 10 kilometer per hour. 10 kilometer per hour. If you talk about this only, that gives you the magnitude. But if you talk about the 10 kilometer per hour towards east, 10 kilometer per hour towards east, so that gives you the velocity. So velocity includes magnitude. This part is the magnitude, and another part is the direction. Magnitude, another part is the direction. Clear? So speed और डायरेक्शन, जब डायरेक्शन बात आ जाता है, हम उनका एडिशन यू विल बी रिलेटिंग टू द डिस्प्लेसमेंट. Relating to displacement. So what is actually the speed? It is the time rate of change of displacement. Time rate of displacement, variation of displacement with respect to time. It is the time rate of, it is the time rate of change of displacement. It is the time rate of change of displacement. It is the time rate of change of displacement. Clear? If the displacement varies with respect to the time, that is the time rate of change of displacement, and accordingly you can get that is uniform velocity. But simply you can write the velocity equal to, a simple word you can use, velocity equal to that is displacement by time. Displacement upon time. Clear? And you will be getting the velocity as you are getting the different type of velocity, different type of speed. In case of speed, here also you will be getting the different types of velocity. One is the uniform velocity. One is the uniform velocity. Second one is the non-uniform velocity বা variable velocity. उसका हम variable velocity बोल सकते हैं. Variable velocity. Another is average velocity, that is average velocity. And fourth one is the instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity. And what is that uniform velocity? If the velocity, what is that uniform velocity? If the body travels equal displacement in equal interval of time. If the body travels, you can write also uniform velocity में. If the body travels equal displacement in equal interval of time, if the body travels equal distance, equal displacement, equal displacement in equal interval of time, equal displacement in equal interval of time, then such type of velocity, such type of velocity is called uniform velocity. Such type of velocity is called uniform velocity. Same as it was in the speed you are using, such type of velocity is called the uniform velocity. Clear? You have to write now. As and when I am writing, at the same time you start writing. Why you are waiting for? Simply you are listening. If the body travels equal displacement in equal interval of time, then such type of velocity is called uniform velocity. ठीक है? तुम क्या कर रहे, सो रहे थे क्या? हाँ? I will not wait for your writing. Just mind it. You write it immediately. So that is called the uniform velocity. Similarly, if you talk about the variable velocities, or it is told as the non-uniform velocity, you write the same definition modified karo. If the body travels on equal displacement, on equal displacement, if the body travels on equal displacement in equal interval of time, if the body travels on equal displacement in equal interval of time, if the body travels on equal displacement in equal interval of time, on equal displacement in equal interval of time, then such type of velocity is called variable velocity. Variable velocity or non-uniform velocity. You can tell also non-uniform velocity. इसका हम non-uniform velocity भी बोल सकते हैं. Clear है? Clear है? Again you think for the average velocity. You think for the average velocity. What is that average velocity? Average velocity. Total displacement by total time. Simply, total displacement by total time equal to average velocity. The average velocity you are finding, average velocity equal to total displacement by total time. The velocity average, total displacement by total time. The total displacement by total time. Total displacement by total time is the average velocity. And if you talk about the instantaneous velocity, instantaneous velocity, instantaneous velocity, it is the velocity of the body at a particular instant of time. ठीक है, it is the velocity it is the velocity at a particular instant of time, at a particular instant of time. It is the velocity at a particular instant of time, that is the instantaneous velocity. That is the instantaneous velocity. Clear enough? अभी जो just all of you listen what I am telling. Uh, that is that the change of time. Suppose the velocity, if the velocity is changing by, if that is the important point, you just remark it here now. If the velocity is changing by uniform rate, equal rate में velocity, जैसे for example uniform velocity, if you talk about the uniform velocity को, how you are just mentioning it here now. Suppose t equal to 0 and you take that is distance displacement equal to 0, and whenever t equal to 2 seconds, you are finding the displacement equal to 10 meter. I am talking about the magnitude, and the body is moving in a straight line. And when t equal to 4 seconds, you are finding the displacement is 20 meter. And in this manner, what you are finding the time interval 2 seconds, and the displacement is also 10 meter in a straight line. Otherwise, if the direction will be changing, means we can calculate the velocity in the different ways. This is also 10 meter. So here what you are getting? You are getting that the velocity displacement is changing. The displacement is changing by equal rate. My point is here now, if the velocity is changing by uniform rate, equal rate, in that case what will be the average velocity? If the velocity, what I am writing, just see, if the velocity is changing by equal rate, initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. But यहाँ पे different है. If the velocity is changing by equal rate or uniform rate, then average velocity V average equal to initial plus final U plus V by 2. We have to calculate the average, but you have to look on here that the velocity is changing by equal rate. Equal rate में velocity will be changing. Clear है? And again we have to discuss for the acceleration. What is that acceleration? देखो acceleration क्या होता है? You tell. Very good, very good. Also, now we can simply tell it is the time rate of change of velocity. It is the time rate of change of velocity. Simply word है ना? It is. It is the time rate of change. Velocity is changing with respect to time. It is the time rate of change of velocity. It is the time rate of change of velocity. और उसका हम बोलते हैं acceleration इक्वल टू a, उसको डिनोट करते a में, that is equal to not velocity, change in velocity. चेंज इन वेलोसिटी बाय टाइम है, चेंज इन वेलोसिटी अपॉन टाइम, ये हो गया तुम्हारा एक्सीलरेशन। ये सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन यू आर हियर, दैट चेंज इन वेलोसिटी, द वेलोसिटी व्हिच, in what cases you can tell the velocity is changing. Just you note it here now. Suppose a body is moving in a circular path. Suppose the body is moving in a circular path. At every position, here we are getting the velocity is 2 meter per second, magnitude, and here also 2 meter per second, unka speed 2 meter per second. Here also getting 2 meter per second. Here also getting 2 meter per second. My question is the body is accelerating? ये बॉडी एक्सीलरेट कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है बताओ, कैसे, हाउ डू यू नो? आई टोल्ड यू दैट कोई भी बॉडी एक्सीलरेट कर रहा है हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे, जब उनका वेलोसिटी चेंज हो रहा है. इफ द वेलोसिटी विल बी चेंजिंग वी टेल द बॉडी इज एक्सीलरेटिंग. चेंज इन केस ऑफ द बाइक और स्कूटी जो तुम लोग चला रहे हैं, राइट साइड में जो रहता है एक्सीलरेटर, उसको जब नीचे तरफ थोड़ा मोड़ते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली द व्हीकल मूव्स फास्ट. दैट गिव्स इट accelerator. It is told as accelerator because it changes the velocity, it increases or decreases the velocity. If the velocity will be changing, in that case we tell that it is accelerating. If the velocity is not changing, we tell the zero acceleration or no acceleration is there. My question is there from the above diagram that that velocity, speed, magnitude of the speed, that is 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second, always it is same. The body is moving with 2 meter per second. Every position will be fine. So is it acceleration? Is it accelerating? How do you know it is no accelerating? Okay, but that is, there is no change in speed, but change in velocity. You are finding change in velocity here. The velocity changes no doubtly, but speed is not changing here. Why? Because speed is 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second. Every position you are finding the same speed, but at every position you are finding the change in direction. Every position the direction changes. Here the direction of the body is along this way. Here the direction is along this way. Here the direction along this way. Here the direction is along this way. So at every position the direction changes continuously. So this body is changing the velocity, is accelerating. ये बॉडी एक्सीलरेट कर रहा है, ठीक है ना. तो इसीलिए हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई द ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन एक्सीलरेशन. द ऑब्जेक्ट विल बी इन एक्सीलरेशन. द ऑब्जेक्ट will be in acceleration. The object will be in acceleration if, number one, magnitude of velocity changes. Magnitude of velocity changes. Magnitude of velocity changes. Number two, direction. If जोड़ रहा हूँ मैं, if the direction of velocity changes. Direction of velocity changes. Number three, or both magnitude and direction. Magnitude and direction. इन केसेस में हम बोलेंगे द ऑब्जेक्ट इज एक्सीलरेटिंग, द बॉडी इज एक्सीलरेटिंग. सो फ्रॉम द अबव एग्जांपल इज सुइटेबल फॉर यू दैट टू आइडेंटिफाई द बॉडी इज एक्सीलरेटिंग. द अर्थ इज, समझ में आ रहे हैं नहीं. तो सपोज जो फैन है तुम्हारे घर में, दैट इज रोटेटिंग विथ कांस्टेंट स्पीड, बट वेलोसिटी इज नॉट कांस्टेंट बिकॉज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द फैन, leaf of the fan is changing continuously, so it is accelerating. समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोला? All of you हाँ, this is the acceleration. But हम लोग acceleration सिंपल हम लिखेंगे, that is change in velocity by time. Clear? अभी what is the unit of acceleration? So unit of acceleration you must be knowing. Unit is change in velocity by time, and velocity will be measured by meter per second, and change in velocity also meter by second. So acceleration का यूनिट होता है, तुम्हारा फॉर्मूला होता है change in velocity by time upon time. So change in velocity, the unit of change in velocity is meter per second, and time is denominator. So you will be finding time t, that is equal to second. So that is equal to कितना होगा, meter per second square. What is the SI unit of acceleration? The SI unit of acceleration is that is ठीक है. That is meter per second square. It is the SI unit of acceleration. Clear na? Suppose you look on here. Just I am showing one example here. The speed of the body is here now. The speed it was whenever t equal to 0. When the t equal to 0, the speed was 0. Suppose I am telling that is the body is moving in a straight line. Speed is 0. When t equal to 2 seconds, and you are finding the speed is 10 meter per second. When t equal to 4 seconds, you are finding 20 meter per second. And in this case, you are finding t equal to 6 seconds, you are finding 30 meter per second. What happens here? Time interval is 2. Always देखो time interval 2. Time interval 2, but the change in velocity becomes 10, and here also 10, here also 10. So the velocity no doubtly बढ़ रहा है. देखो पहले 0 था, 10, 20, 30, like that the velocity is increasing, magnitude of velocity is increasing, and we have not changing the direction here because motion in a straight line. Straight line the body is moving, so no direction changing is there. Only the velocity is changing due to its magnitude. So here what you are getting, that the object changes its velocity by equal amount in equal interval of time. In equal interval of time, it changing its velocity by equal amount. So this type of acceleration is called the uniform acceleration. This is called the uniform acceleration. So we have uniform acceleration, or it is told as the constant acceleration. ठीक है नहीं? If the velocity of the body changes by equal amount, if the velocity changes by equal amount, in equal interval of time, then such type of acceleration is called uniform acceleration. उसका हम यूनिफॉर्म acceleration बोलते हैं. Such type of acceleration is called uniform acceleration. अभी देख रहे देखो. If the velocity changes by equal amount in equal interval of time, then such type of acceleration is called uniform acceleration. Is called uniform acceleration. Clear? And from this observation, you just observe it. From this observation, you take, just observe it. Suppose initial velocity it was 0, and again another velocity is changing by equal amount. The velocity is 0, and second by 10, 20, 30. Like that, the velocity is increasing. Like that, the velocity is increasing. So this indicates acceleration is positive at any instant. Suppose initial velocity is 0 and final velocity is 30. So change in velocity is 30 minus initial velocity by time interval. So in this case, as the velocity is increasing gradually, then this type of velocity is called the this type of acceleration is called the positive acceleration. So acceleration भी दो type का हो जाता है ना, एक positive acceleration, the positive acceleration, and another is the negative acceleration. Positive, we are getting positive acceleration, another is the negative acceleration. In case of the positive acceleration, you are finding how that acceleration equal to v minus u upon t. That is v minus u matlab initial velocity, final velocity minus initial velocity by t. Suppose if the velocity of the body object increases, so acceleration will be positive. A positive. How it will be A positive? When v is greater than u. v greater than u मतलब फाइनल वेलोसिटी जब इनिशियल वेलोसिटी से ज़्यादा हो जा रहा है, मीन्स द बॉडी इज चेंजिंग द वेलोसिटी बाय इंक्रीजिंग रेट. If it is increasing the velocity, then it is positive acceleration. If negative में cases, how we can write, the v will be less than u. मतलब if the velocity decreases, in that case you tell it as the negative acceleration. In this case it is negative acceleration. Acceleration is negative. So how we get the positive acceleration? Is a freely falling body. Suppose a body is falling from a height. So automatically as the body is falling from the height, here it is velocity was 0. Gradually when it is coming down, coming towards the surface of the earth, the velocity gradually increases velocity. So as it is increasing velocity, this type of acceleration is called the positive acceleration, and it is also increasing by equal rate, so it is automatically uniform acceleration. The uniform and positive acceleration. Clear है? जब velocity decrease कर जाता है, that is the negative acceleration. कैसे होता है? Suppose a vehicle is climbing it or moving off on an inclined plane. कोई inclined plane में जब suppose inclined plane में vehicle जब जा रहा है, यहाँ पर ऊपर जा रहे, उनका ग्रेजुअली धीरे धीरे स्पीड घटता जाता है, नहीं कि? और if you put the brake on the vehicle, so the vehicle speed was, suppose it was 50 km/h. By putting brake gradually it will be 20, 10, again it is 0. In this rate the velocity falls. If the velocity falls by equal amount, that is known as uniform acceleration, and it is negative acceleration. This type of negative acceleration is called retardation. नेगेटिव एक्सेलेरेशन क्या बोलते हैं? रिटार्डेशन. है कि नहीं तुम लोग सब? अनमोल, this negative acceleration is called the retardation. So in this manner we can get the uniform acceleration and variable acceleration. In case of the variable acceleration, we will be finding the the velocity is changing by unequal amount in equal interval of time, or unequal amount in unequal interval of time also. That is variable acceleration. The velocity changing by unequal amount, unequal rate में velocity जब change होता है, that is called the variable acceleration. Clear acceleration? All of you are finding the acceleration? Okay, okay, okay. In this, this way that you have to solve some questions. One more you ask me, I will send you the question.